Shiva, 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 Shiva,
Shiva,
Shiva,
wake up, Shiva.
Wake up, Shiva.
Shiva,
Wake up,
Shiva,
Shiva,
wake
Shiva.
up, bro. Shiva, 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 wake up, bro. Wake up. Shiva, Shiva,
Wake up, Shiva.
Shiva,
Wake up,
Shiva.
Shiva.
Doctor, doctor, doctor.
Don't worry, nothing
Babai,
will happen
we
to your
didn't do
friend.
anything, Babai. We.
I know the doctor's here.
There is profuse blood loss from the patient, and we're suspecting a cranial fracture.
Jump,
Wait,
left,
I'm coming,
left, left, left.
I'm coming, wait, I'm coming, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming, wait. Oh no, there is sniper. Oh, my sniper. Move aside, move aside.
Revive ra.
Abba.
Go right side. You go right side. You go right side. Right. Go right side. You go right side.
On your
right,
left, on
right.
your left, on your left, on your left.
There, can't play, man. There.
Man, we lost, man. What's this?
What, man? What are you doing here? You can't play a game or what?
Everything is because of this fellow only. Everything he will do anxiously. I don't know why. Why you do like that?
Because of this fellow only.
Hey, what ra?
Hey,
Always phone.
it's okay, ra.
Read newspapers.
Anna darling, hey.
Hey, get off. No time sense only. How many times should I say? Every time anxious, ruin everything with the anxiousness.
Actually, it's not his mistake, man.
You don't touch me, I say.
All the games are same, man. It happens. All games are boring these days.
Abba, then you say what is better. Then you say no, what is better.
Bro, there's a version of zombie coming up in PUBG.
Hey, there are no such type of things like zombies and ghosts, man, in real life.
No, Ray, you should not say like this. When I was there in the Rajasthan, there is a fort called Bhangar Fort. Many people have gone there, but they have not returned back. So don't say that, okay? Okay. If you call the spirit, they will come also. Spirit.
Bacha, how should we communicate? WhatsApp or Facebook?
Arey, no ra, not WhatsApp and Facebook. Actually, there's a procedure for that. Generally,
We should call
there are
Spirit,
people
Spirit.
to no, there are people to call all those. Actually, my grandfather knows all these things. He was an Oja.
Where?
Actually, our family history dates back to Mayang. Okay. There's a place in our village. Everyone is like Oja. They used to do black magic and everything, and nowadays they do good things also. Back pain and everything they'll cure with that. When you guys read about Spirit game thing? There's a game called Spirit game, and if at all you play that game now, in that the ghost can come in that form of spirit, and it will answer your questions.
Oh.
True. Bro, do you know how to do that?
Yes, bro, I know. A little he taught me, but actually we have to do that in night time, and this is the right time. Shall we do?
Have you gone crazy, asshole?
Bro.
Hey, jobless fellow, have you gone crazy? I will throw you Netravati river direct.
Hey, go bro. I don't believe in such kind of stuff at all.
No, man.
Nonsense.
Hey,
You should believe.
shut up.
Hey, who will believe that?
Hey, it's true, Ra. You need to
It's
believe
no,
it. We'll
the
do.
ghosts
It
and
will happen.
zombies. Who the hell
Come,
will
let's
believe
play,
in those
Ra.
things? And that too in
Come, let's
modern
play.
days.
Come.
No,
It's true.
I'll go and sleep for some time.
Actually, it's true.
No.
Chaitanya.
Arey,
Bro, actually we can ask our questions also. You know, right? Come.
No,
Come,
bro.
let's
Come,
play.
bro.
Come,
We'll play.
ra.
The game should be finished before sunrise, or else this vampire ghost will start feasting on our blood. Come, let's play this game. Kata kata, boom, fat. Om bhat swaha. Anda baga baga, boom, fat. Om chukkali chukkali bukkali swaha. Om tribukan dom ten swaha. Kata kata. Fat. Om Eem Kleem Chamundai. Om Bhuta Pishacha Avahayami. Om Bhuta Pishacha Avahayami. Om Anda Baga Baga Boom Om Kata Kata Fat 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 Om Bhat Swaha Om Rim Glim Nam Chamundai Om Bhuta Pichajana Ayami Anda Baga 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 Boom Fat Om Chukali Chukali Om Bukali Swaha Om Jayam Bhagwan Swaha.
Nothing happened.
What a jackass, man.
What man, grandfather? Ghost.
He can't handle his family business also.
No, not like that. He did like this, and all. Now what happened? See, blood. What is that? Oh my God, I am scared.
Kenapa tak tidur lagi, ha?
What is this, man?
Hey, get up.
What is
How
this,
many times should I say? Every time you do the same. Why you do like that? Why you do like that?
What happened?
Spirit might get angry. What is wrong with you?
Chaitanya, wait.
What, man?
What happened?
What is these things? Hey, go man.
No.
Don't
How
do
can you
like
be
this,
such type of stuff?
Why,
Hey, what is this?
What's your problem, man?
Oh,
why are you doing
this only?
this,
This
Chaitanya?
only?
Why?
If you read this only, everything
Don't
will
do that,
happen.
don't take
Why
all
you
Okay,
do
fine.
that?
I'll
Why
do
you
it.
do
Hey,
that?
go.
Chaitanya, don't
Okay,
do
hey,
that.
chick,
Don't
if
do
you read
that.
this means
Don't
within
take-
30 seconds, everything will
Don't
happen.
take
Huh?
it, don't
Here
take
it
it.
is.
Arey, please,
See the
Arey,
actress.
not read so
Give
fastly,
me everything.
no,
Well,
no,
I'm
no,
doing
please,
green
Arey.
biscuit. Egg
Don't
biscuit.
do that.
Doing that.
Arey, please, no.
क्या किया तुमने?
What, bro? Why? What have you done, bro?
What did
Why?
you do?
Hey, Arey,
This
what is
crazy
happening?
piece of anxiety is putting us in trouble,
Someone
man.
lit a candle. Hey,
Fuse is stripped, bro. That's why no light.
Brother's fuse is also gone, man.
Whose fuse is gone, man? Whose fuse
please,
is gone?
Arey, Revan,
Whose fuse?
sit down, please. Don't fight. Arey, nothing will happen. Please sit down. What is this, Ra? Please don't fight. Please, Ra, don't fight. Let's think what to do.
I know.
Bro,
I know
bro,
this
bro,
will happen.
bro,
I know this will
bro.
happen. She came, no? I will go home. These fellows have done something. I don't know what will happen. I will go. I will go.
Abhishek!
Hey, come back. Hey, come back. What happened, bro?
How come you're here?
Don't
Don't worry,
worry,
bro.
sleep.
Happen, man. Nothing will happen.
Just imagination, bro. Nothing happened.
She will come. She will come. She will come. She will come.
Hey, nothing will come. Sleep.
It's all your imagination. Revan, you sleep with him.
தம்பி बचाओ
Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Okay, open your mouth. Smile. Open! Are?
Yeah, it's smiling.
Okay, okay. Action. Cut it. You're wrapping up. Stop.
Action.
Stop. Sit down. That's what I am saying you. That's what I am saying you from first stop.
Action.
Hey, what? Wait. What is this? What you are saying about that? Why do you want to do that? Why you do that? Why you want to do that? Why you want to do that? You leave it there. Why you want to do? What happened to him? What happened to him, man? What do you think? He doesn't matter what, man.
Now lighting is okay, right? Don't laugh, bro. Don't laugh. It's okay. Ria cannot control her laugh. That's why I'm laughing. Okay. Wait. It's enough now. Hey, no, I'm scared. I should not do that. Huh?